Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make someone admin on Discord. So first of all, open the server and click on server name, server settings, roles, and click on create role. Give your role name admin. Select a color for the role and toggle on this option. Click on save changes. Click on permissions and you can adjust permissions from here, and you can also enable administrator permissions for the role and click on save changes. And now let's see how to add someone to the admin role. So for example, I want to add this user to the role, so I'm gonna right clicking on the username, roles, and I'm clicking on admin, and that's how we can add someone to admin role. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.